This video tells you about our company, Carmencita. It's a pity you can't also smell it, because that's the most characteristic thing about our factory. The aroma of every spice you can imagine. One door opens and a pungent peppery aroma blasts open your nostrils. Another opens and the cinnamon transports you to Ceylon. Another opens and it's like stepping into a trattoria in Naples. This factory contains many aromas, but separately, which must be preserved in their quality. However, there is one aroma that permeates every corner of this factory, and it's the aroma of home, family, tradition, traditional cuisine, but also of innovation, technology, and new gastronomy. It's a very difficult mixture to achieve, because it takes 100 years to create. Maybe in another 100 years, or even less as technology advances, this video will also be able to be smelled. But don't worry, you can find that special aroma that this factory has in each and every one of the creations that come out of it. From Carmencita.